Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today is number 2 of our $5
mukbang.
$5 or less
Yes, mukbang. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you want to tell them what we have, honey?
Today we got sausage. What you call that sausage again?
Vienna sausage.
Yeah, Vienna sausage. I didn't want to say Vietnamese. Vienna sausage with onions, green peppers, tomato, and fried dumpling.
Yes. So we do have a video on how my husband prepared this, and like always, you can watch this video first, please. Thank you.
Sure.
And then go to that video, and it'll be linked somewhere up here. Okay? So my husband, listen.
Very simple.
We're gonna dig in. And this is how the fried dumpling.
Yeah,
oh snap!
That's how the fried dumpling is.
It's so good, honey. I gotta break it.
Break it.
Look at that.
Yep.
Look at that, guys. See the steam?
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
Let me go on the pick and go and show them.
So what you do is you just take the fried dumpling and you scoop up some of the sausage inside. Oh man, this is good. Oh man, this is so good. This is something that you can eat for breakfast, lunch,
or dinner. Whatever you want. You know? Very easy. So look at that right. That's the dumpling. So show them what you do sometimes, First Lady.
Oh.
In the middle with the thing.
Oh yes.
Could even do this. See? Or dumpling. So could also do that. Maybe a fork real quick.
Of course.
You don't need a fork, but like this. Look at a little sandwich, you know what I'm saying?
Ooh.
Something light. But me, I don't make sandwich. I don't have time for that, take too long. No? See? Look at that. There you go. That's the same thing there. And look. It's all in there. The First Lady trick. Yeah, I can see. See, First Lady? Do your trick.
See.
Now learn, man.
Guys, I am telling you, you won't believe how delicious this is.
They're gonna see it.
The dumpling is fried to perfection, honey.
Perfect.
Oh my goodness. Who'd have thought?
It's simple at you.
Vienna sausage. And like I said in the video, when my husband was making it, you can eat this with rice, dumpling a banana, bread.
Anything you want.
Anything, vegetable.
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna forget. I'm gonna put a little bit. Drop it on there, just a little bit. Ready? Look like we need some more sausage.
I said, it look like a little bit mine.
Yeah, man, look like we need some more sausage, man, because this alone could have been mine. So. Good, right?
So good.
I could tell. Good, right?
So good.
Very easy and cheap.
This meal, again, guys, you have dumpling in your house. Dumpling.
Flour.
You have flour in your house. You have flour in your house. You have rice in your house. You have onions. You have green pepper. And if you don't have green pepper, just use onions.
Yeah.
So we only paid. We bought 6 cans.
Yeah.
And it's 55 cents each. And we only use 5 cans. So you do the math, okay? It's way less than $5. Oh.
Crunchy, yo. Oh my gosh. And the sauce. The sauce give it a kick.
Barbecue sauce.
Ketchup.
Ketchup.
Take a watch the video.
Watch the video.
Watch the video. We ain't telling you.
For real.
Watch the video. But if we tell you now, you ain't gonna watch the video.
But honey, every time you make fried dumpling, what do I want?
Porridge.
Porridge.
And I got a porridge when I too great.
Every time he make fried dumpling, I'm like, oh my gosh, we should have some porridge.
This is so good, that sauce.
It's simple. Just like you said.
Very.
But it's so good.
And you know what, first day? They didn't have to use the Vietnamese sausage.
Yeah.
They use regular hot dogs.
Oh yeah, he's made it with hot dogs before too.
Yeah, use regular hot dog. You know what I'm saying? But the canned one, we like it more. It don't matter which one you use, but this one is much easier.
Yeah. And you get more for your money.
Damn, for that. Remember, I get some more sausage.
Oh, yum. Ooh.
You moving fast today. I thought this gonna be good enough.
I'm hungry.
How much dumpling you give me? How much dumpling you give me for real?
How much dumpling you asked for?
I don't know. This looked like it was 5.
I gave you 6.
6 dumpling. Oh God.
I don't listen enough.
6 dumpling women.
You think I just met you yesterday? I know 5 dumpling ain't gonna work.
She gave me 6 dumpling family.
Oh my God.
And a 501. Nice,
Oh
man.
my gosh.
Oh gosh. How y'all doing?
You always forget, honey.
Always freaking forget. Damn, I don't like that. We always forgetting. But we here though. I know we here. And you're watching us, but we just keep forgetting.
Yeah.
Because we're enjoying this. So good.
I love the onions.
Yeah, onion is so crunchy.
And green pepper.
Yeah. Yeah. That's why I cut it big because I like to taste it.
Exactly. Exactly.
I cut my stuff big. I like to taste it. This is delicious though. Back to y'all now. Enough about this food. We know it's good. That's what I've been up to. Okay. We've been good. You know what I mean? We've been good chilling, enjoying life. Trying to get these videos for y'all.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Trust me.
I hope you guys have a great day today.
Yep. And if y'all wasn't having a great day, y'all having a better one now.
That's true.
Always gotta think ahead. No? I'm thinking ahead right now because I'm eating.
My love.
Wow.
We're gonna need more sausage.
Wanna get more? Need some of that boy. What first day till I come back?
Watch it.
Don't make you eat up all the food up. Come back and watch out.
That's a good question. If you don't know how to make fried dumpling, and you want Richie to show you how he makes his fried dumpling, let us know. But it's very simple. But it's all about.
Yo, why you need telling people them? What? She took more than enough food, right? I don't like that.
Oh my
See?
Pour
We're
it,
back.
pour
So
it.
we'll pour that now. You know, say the food done? The name of the food, you know?
Yeah, man, that's fine.
Yo, the name of the food, man. What she was saying to y'all? I missed it. I was gone.
We're telling them
What you telling them?
that you probably counted the sausage before you left.
Sure did. When I left at the tree door, I'll peep. I'm sure. But they wouldn't tell me. She know me. I made sure I count how many sausage was left.
Some of them were saying that they don't know how to make fried dumpling.
Well, so now y'all gonna want a video. Alright. I'll make it for y'all. Just leave down in the comments if you want to make sure y'all to make the fried dumpling. Okay?
And remember, I showed you guys how to make boiled dumpling
Yeah.
already, so you can eat this with boiled dumpling.
Awesome. Yep. Okay.
And with rice, so.
This is something is so you just put together so quick. You don't have to cook no big dinner or whatever. You know what I'm saying? You could cook this anytime. At first they said breakfast, lunch, or whatever.
Yeah.
Something bad. Everybody got sausage in their house.
Or hot dog.
I had a hot dog. No? I know you got the pork one in your house too. But yeah, very easy. Can't go wrong with this. Trust me. But if you would like to see how I make the fried dumpling, leave a comment. You know what I'm saying? Now I get two for y'all, but other than that, this is delicious. Something feel different.
Yeah. People in Jamaica, that feels different. Cut it out.
No. How much dumpling left from gone? How much dumpling left from gone?
2.
So how lose only one?
You ate 1.
Something wrong in man. Something wrong man. Coming like messy doubles. I left 2 dumplings. I only have 1 left. First lady, that's how fast you moving today?
Huh. I ain't your dumpling enough.
Who ate it? You? I know. I know.
When you said that, it's funny.
I know. I know somebody ate it. Cause before I get up and I look at the door and watching them.
It wasn't me though.
Yeah.
Me never yam it. They ate it. I'm gonna be a snitch. You yam it. Them yam it.
Yeah, I know they did. It's alright. Cause they're saying, damn, look at this one. You see this now? I pushed down everything here. Now look at this one.
Oh wow.
Look at this, family. I push everything down. Right, you can see. Now I'm gonna pack it up with some meat. Pack it up with some meat now.
In Jamaica, there's not one household that has not made this.
Yep.
Okay?
Yep. There you go. Look at that now.
That's like a volcano,
That's
honey.
a volcano, and it's gonna erupt right in my stomach.
Right. I had
You
5
have
dumplings.
to. You had 5 dumplings? Wow! Give her a round of applause. First they ate 5 dumplings. Oh my god. Plus mine, that's made 6.
That did not eat your dumpling.
She ate 5 dumplings, guys? I know I didn't want to get up, you know, cause see? That's good for 5 dumpling? You must was hungry.
Yep.
You ate more dumpling than me? We were trying to be greedy earlier, trying not to try to take a lot, but we had to go back.
It was that good.
It was that good. And you know, everything is done. Everybody got their food.
Wow.
Your son took about 5 dumplings too?
You're a big
Your
man.
daughter gonna have 2.
That is so good. Just hit the spot.
Very, very, very delicious and simple.
Yep. You're in a rush. You come from work.
Yes.
You know what to make.
Yeah.
The kids. What kid doesn't like sausage?
Exactly. Tell me. For real. This was good. Oh yeah, I got it again. It's on deck. This was delicious. Dumpling, they were just fried to perfection and crisp. But still got the nice softness in the middle.
Porridge.
First lady, you eat enough today, no my youth?
I was hungry.
My gosh, 5 dumpling? God damn it!
I can't even eat 5 boiled dumplings.
But it's all different. For real, she can eat 5 boiled dumplings, but she ate 5 fried dumplings.
Make it make sense.
I don't know. You surprised me today. I guess I gotta get up more often. And leave your food alone, make it eat. Okay, I see the trick now.
Well, that's true. I had a chance to eat because you was gone.
Yes, she had a chance to eat because I was gone, but I see now. Okay. I'm gonna map it out better this time. I got you next time. That was good, right? Another good dish. Day 2 on it. Then we got 2 more days of it.
Under $5.
Under $5.
And it's not like we're skimping. Okay? This fed all 4 of us.
All 4 of us.
And we went back for seconds.
Yep.
Okay? All right. $5.
$5 can't beat this. Better than Wendy's.
Ooh, excuse me.
At that note, yeah, burp one. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend to know a friend to tell a friend. Go to first, lady.
Peter, can we know?
Damn, that's good.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang.
Good night, I forgot.
Bye.
Yo,
That was good.
yo, you're greedy, you know? 5 dumpling in here.
Me on 5.
4 meat, you know?
You know, that's a lie.